Here at Laser World of Photonics, we are seeing very promising startups connecting with their investor groups and their ecosystem. Samarth, how is Linque being benefited by being part of TUM Ventures?
Yeah, thanks, Jose. So Linque is building basically cloud and AI infrastructure using photonics. And the TUM Venture Labs is helping us finding the right investors, their accelerator program at Unternehmer TUM, and also finding corporate partners to do our pilots and demos with. So they are a great help in this early stage.
Christopher Trummer, Director General at TUM Venture Labs. You're going to be one of the speakers at the Global Photonics Economic Forum. You're investing a lot in quantum technologies. You have a network of investors and you're guiding them towards quantum. Why?
Because it's an amazing technology, right? It has absolutely the potential to disrupt a lot of industries. We see that already on the sensing and communication side. We'll see it probably in a few years on the computational power.
I can tell you that I feel the energy of all your startups around here. You have developed a very enthusiastic ecosystem. What is the main challenge when it comes to helping these young startups?
I mean, most of the founders that we work with approach us with a piece of technology, right? And so what we help them is really to put that into a product that actually makes sense for the market, and also to look at it a bit with an investor angle, right? To say like, okay, how does this become investable? And is this actually a venture capital case? Or is it maybe something which is a small component and is a fun, good company, but it stays a smaller company for quite a while until it maybe grows, right? And so we try to put that angle in and help them really getting the right business model, business case together that then at some point hopefully makes sense for our investors in the network to also invest in the companies.
At the Global Photonics Economic Forum in Malaga, you're going to be in a panel with deep pockets, with big investors. What advice would you give them?
Well, I mean, advising investors is maybe not really what we're doing a lot, but I would say look for strong founder teams always, but most of them know that. I think what specifically for quantum is super valuable is there really a strong institute? Is there strong academic backing behind it? Because there's so much new technology and so much new progress still coming out that is actually a valuable thing in source of talent, source of new IP and technology. So I think that's an amazing setup that you have that academic framework also around you and infrastructure, good ecosystem that supports the teams.
We're at Laser World of Photonics in Munich, one of the most innovative shows in the world.
Absolutely.
Which companies are you most interested in talking to?
Our most interesting companies you can see behind us, right? We have a couple of very great examples. I mean, speaking about photonics, I think one very important example is Akhetonics, for example. Digital photonic computers, something totally new that I think nobody else in the world is working on. So that's amazing. We have our biggest startup by now with planqc, using a lot of photonic technology actually for their quantum computing platform, with now more than 100 million that went into that company, 80 people, you see the stand over there, right? So we have a lot of very exciting young companies. Just saw Linque on photonic interconnects. So I mean, I'm excited to speak to all of them again.
And you will do so when you come to Malaga and you meet Christopher Trummer and the rest of the investors at the Global Photonics Economic Forum.